primed times 2. Let me, ready? The gas cap is on, right?
Put it back in?
I don't know. I might be an idiot.
Yeah, no, it's on.
Okay.